In this video, we are going to show you how to use this jump starter with air compressor provided by Pelsee for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. This jump starter withstands -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also IP65 waterproof. It has a large capacity of 20,000 milliamps of portable mobile power. Up on top, you have your air hose port and your covered USB ports. USB Type-C up to 2.5 amps, USB port 2 up to 2 amps, and your USB port 1 has an 18-watt fast charging mode when solo up to 3 amps. On one side, you have a convenient carry strap. On the other side, you have your LED light with 4 different light modes. Flashlight mode, your white strobe mode, white SOS mode, and your red strobe mode. Below your light is your vent. Below your vent is your jump starter port. On the front, you have a nice LED screen with your power button indicated in red. There are 4 different units of measure: BAR, PSI, kPa, and kilograms per centimeter. Air pressure value positive and your negative. This controls your flashlight. There are 4 different inflation modes: your car inflation, motorcycle inflation, bicycle inflation, and your ball inflation. Includes your air hose, jump starter cables, your USB charging cable, 4 different air nozzles, a hard storage case, and your user manual. Here we have your dead battery. This is where you're going to plug in your jumper cables. Open up the cover, plug in your jumper cable. You'll see a green light blinking. Go ahead and connect the cables. You'll see a solid green light. Then go ahead and start your engine. Built-in 12 safety protections, including reverse polarity. Peak current at 3,500 amps. We have a larger size 20-inch tire. Connect your air hose. Remove the air cap. Go ahead and insert your air hose. Lock it into place. Turn on the device. Switch our measurement to PSI. Right now it's low at 31. We're gonna go ahead and time it. Hold the power button. Built-in automatic shut-off feature, about 2 minutes and 52 seconds. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.